Okay, so hello and welcome back to Goo Mondays Coins and Banknotes. And in today's video, we're going to look at the UV features of the Philippines banknotes that were first issued in 1985 and were last issued in 2013. But I am missing the 20 and the 200 pesos, so we're just going to do the denominations that I have. So the low value 5, I don't expect to have much UV features, but I expect the 1000 to have at least some. Looks like that might be UV just by looking at it and the actual color. So got a UV torch and we turn on, yep, that's the actual UV. Now I don't see anything show up, but to see it we need to turn the light off. And well, let's see, bottom one's got security thread. I see some UV on it, which security threads, but that's about it. And there's not that many either. If we turn it over to the back, looks like that might be UV there, but it just doesn't make sense. It might be the denomination. It doesn't show up on this side. Or it might be just, someone spilt some. Well, I don't know. Okay, then we got the 10 pesos. So we have UV as the 10. It's got security threads. So it looks like all of these have these small security fragments, security threads in them. If we turn it over, yep, nothing on this side. So this one is dated. So this is 2001. And it looks like we have an earlier version in which the serial numbers have UV as well as the 10. It looks like we have some UV that's probably leaked out of ink. And you can see that this one has two. Actually, both of them do. But you can get banknotes with just one letter prefix. Okay, so it's different. So obviously, as these are fallen in value, they reduce the UV. Now on the back, we don't have that much. Okay, here we have the 50, so we're missing a 20. And these security threads actually stand out quite a lot. So it's very interesting. And once again, we have a difference. So this is UV here, but it's pretty weak. So probably they didn't apply much of it. But you can see the denomination on this one, so it's 2000. This one is probably one of the first. And as you can see the UV quite clearly. Okay, turn it over. Yeah, nothing much on that side. Yeah, another 2000. Okay, this is 2012. And we have the single letter prefix. And also the serial numbers are UV. Okay, so there you go. It's a bit hard to show up on the actual camera. Okay, so there you go. UV as well as the denomination. But the earlier ones don't have UV in the serial numbers. Okay, and on the back, oh, that actually looks quite nice. It's like a starry night, clear sky. Okay, so here we have one of the first. Okay, it's the signature on this one is President Ramos. So Philippines is one of the banknotes issued by an independent country that has a president or the head of state in the banknote. This is Ramos, and then we have the central bank. But this is too circulated to show that any security features in the UV. Okay, here we have another 100 pesos from 2000. The serial numbers are UV, and there's 100. So it looks like pretty much standard security features on these banknotes. Another one issued in 2000. And yeah, the last one is also issued 2000. But because it's less circulated, the UV has held up pretty well. So it looks like UV can get damaged fairly easily from circulation. So Yeah, not that much UV on the side. And this one's 2011, and they haven't changed the UV features on the actual banknote. Okay, so then we have the 500. So I'm missing the 200. And we have the denomination in UV and the serial numbers again. So that's, yeah, nothing special. And then we have the last. Once again, it's the same. Serial number and the denomination, but that's about it. So pretty much that is what you're going to find in Philippines banknotes with UV features. So the 5's got, this should actually have a 5 there. The other denominations pretty much not much. So I hope this helps you with your banknote collecting. Yeah, not too bad. But if you're going to collect banknotes based on UV, this is not the series to actually do it. So let me know what you think about these banknotes. I think that they are okay. UV features could be a lot more complicated on the 500 and 1000 because the highest denomination. Probably the ones that will be counterfeited fairly readily. But considering the Philippines issued only 1,000 pesos in polymer, I would say it still has UV on it, but it's less important now because the plastic substrate is probably the more important factor, which is harder to counterfeit. So anyway, thank you very much for watching my video. Hope this helps you with your banknote and coin collecting. This is just a fun thing to do when you have pretty much nothing else to do. Actually, I've got a lot of videos I can actually make. Thank you and goodbye.